All right, let's cut across to Punjab, get you the latest. Law does not seem to be in order where Punjab is concerned. In less than a month after a Kabaddi player was shot dead during a match, now an Aam Aadmi Party Sarpanch, Jarnail Singh, was shot in the head by unidentified killers at a resort in Amritsar. CCTV shows chilling images of two unidentified men entering a wedding venue and approaching Singh, who was seated amongst the guests. Without warning, one of them holds up a gun to his head and fires point blank. Then the second killer also opens fire at the same Aam Aadmi Party Sarpanch. You can see Jarnail Singh collapse instantly and the assailants flee within seconds, even as wedding guests look on in shock. The victim was rushed to the hospital where he succumbed to injuries. According to the preliminary probe, the attackers showed no attempt to conceal their identities despite the presence of dozens of guests. Just a month ago, in fact, a 30-year-old Kabaddi player, cum promoter, died after unidentified gunmen opened fire after he arrived with his team to take part in a tournament in Mohali. Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining us live with the latest incident where the murder of a Sarpanch in Amritsar is concerned. Kamal, what more can you add? What was the motive behind this killing? Have the killers been identified, apprehended?
Well, incessant killings putting pressure on Punjab police. Jarnail Singh killing was one of them. And obviously, the way you're talking about it, the CCTV is a clear giveaway that there's no fear of police. And that is why unmasked men enter the wedding lot. And that is where they kill on point blank. Now, what we know about Jarnail Singh is that he is a Sarpanch from Waltova in Taran Taran. Now, what has been stated by the gangsters, at least 5-6 of them, including Dolly Bal, this also includes the Vinder Bhai Miha gang, that he was after one of the gangsters who he tried to demolish the house. That is one of the allegations which was being leveled. But clearly, there have been instances, at least 2 to 3 in the past, including the last one in March 2025, where his car was attacked. He was ambushed, fire was shot, but he miraculously escaped. And then thereafter, this is where he was targeted at a wedding. Now, that doesn't say much about the law and order, where we've seen killings take place every other day. We've seen the opposition parties up in arms, be it Sukhbir Badal, be it the BJP's Fateh Bajwa, Pargat Singh. So all of them have been talking about it. But clearly, when we spoke to Punjab police, they've been investigating the angle. They're also saying, as far as the national average per lakh is 450 per lakh of killings taking place or crime taking place, Punjab that way fares better because it's 225. Okay. But the sort of attacks and spectacular short arm weapons being used, pistols being used, some of them coming across via drones, several of the nodes or her handlers who sitting abroad and giving guns to first-time users. Several of them are unidentified at this point of time. But yes, technology being used, CCTV being used, all this is being done. But little to avail, because remember, election is just 1.5 years away and a lot of killings, and those two dastardly ones are taking place in Punjab.
Thank you, Kamal, for joining us with that quick update. That's all the time that we have for a